Greetings everyone. This is Immaculate from IMA Recreation. Today we will say Kodiyali Handu game. Thanks to Reshma Sharma, she is the one who contributed it. We will record the game. This is again Mankala variety of game. 2 players, 7 holes, 4 each. Okay. So the objective is to collect 4s. That too 4s on any side while you are playing. You have to put the last seed on 3 and collect 4. Okay. So we will just see the game so that you will understand. First player starts. Keep putting 1 each. Mankala variety. So where it ends, take the same and play. Where it ends, take the same and play. So all Mankala games, if it ends on the empty pit, then your turn ends. Now the opponent's turn. Opponent will start. Where it ends, take same. Where it ends, take same. Where it ends, take same. Where it ends, it's empty hole, so their turn also entered. See, now this has to be converted into 4 using the last seed. Only then we will win this. So I will just try to convert this into 3 now. So where it ends, take next. Where it ends, take next. Take next. Now this is non-ripe food. I can't put it in here if it is not the last seed. So this will remain as 3. So this became 2. Convert and play. So you have to, whoever converts 3 into 4 using the last seed, they will get it. Oh, unfortunately this is not the last seed, so I won't put it. It will remain unripe. So this is 3 I can take. Again I will not put it here because that is 3 and this is not the last seed. So I will put it here, last one, my turn got over. Now this is 3. Or that also, somebody should try to get that. So let us see. My opponent, they do this. See, using the last seed they got 4, so it is theirs. Now my turn now. So again using the last seed I got 4. This is mine. Now opponent's turn. Opponent will try to convert this into 4. Or maybe they can't do that, so they will take this and play. So this is 3, this is not the last one, so I will not put it. This became 3, this became 2. Last one, turn got over. So now my turn. Now I don't want them to get this as 4. At the same time, I will see whether if I take that, I might get that. I will not put in this, it will remain unripe. Oh, last one. See, my calculation was alright. So I got this. Now opponent's turn. Opponent will try to get this or this. Can they? Or this they can get. So opponent will also collect 4. So now my turn. Even I can't get this. Or maybe I can. See, this became, oh no, my calculation became wrong. It ended here. Now I can't put in these things. I can't put in this also. I can put here. Wow. Last one I got 4 now. Now opponent's turn. Opponent can get this or this. Opponent will just do this and take that. Now my turn. I will say I'll convert this into 3. Now 1, 2, I got this. Now opponent's turn. Opponent, can they get this? No. So maybe opponent will take this thinking that they might get this, or will they split this? No. So they take this. So as you could see, the strategy is different now, and you have to just remember the rules. Try to get 4, not the last seed, so don't put it here. Oh sorry, not the last seed, so here. Turn got over. Now my turn. I have lot of options, so I will try to first collect from the opponent. So I do this, collect this. Now opponent's turn. They also have a lot of options. So they just do this, collect their 4. Now my turn. I do this, collect another 4. Now opponent's turn. They do this, collect 4. So if you look at it, strategy is different. Now my turn. I do this, collect 4. Now opponent's turn. So they do this, turn got over. Now my turn. I do this. they say if it is less than 8, then you can close the game, because otherwise nobody is going to make 4, right? So but you can play until some side is empty also. So let opponent do this, and now my turn. I do this, opponent might only do this. Now I do this, now opponent may do this. I do this. The game will keep going, it looks like. So they do this, I do this, they do this, I do this. Now they do this, I got 4. Now it is less than whatever 3 or 4 and all that. So even if you want to close it, they can do this, they do this. Now my side is empty, so they can take this 4. To see who's the winner, you can just fill it back with 4 4, and whoever collected more, they are the winners. So in these variety of games, clear winner will emerge. See, I won by 1 house. So next round, as I told you earlier, either you can loan this to the opponent and play, or opponent can block this and play, or you can put this, claim it as yours and play, and try to play until somebody closes all the things. This is again, or you can just play 1 round and decide who is the winner. Okay, so this time I am just trying to keep it simple and try to play this game. You yourself compare and see how it is different from other games. Okay, thanks and bye. Immaculate.